I drill my leg mortises from the underside of the seat, the bottom of the seat blank. And there are a couple of reasons for it. I know opinions differ on this matter, but I do have some reasons I do that. Number one, I'm lazy, I guess is the first reason. And really that's because if you drill them from the top side of the hole, or top side of the seat blank, you have to lay out all your sight lines and all of that stuff. And then once you have that drilled out, you have to lay those out on the bottom side on the seat blank to be able to ream your holes. So I'm lazy, I just want to lay them out once, so I lay them out on this side. The other reason is if you have any blowout from the drilling process, that blowout's on the top side of the seat that's going to be carved anyway when you saddle the seat, so it eliminates that. The other reason is once you have all your sight lines for your spindle mortises and whatnot, it gets really busy with all the sight lines and sometimes confusing. The other thing is laying them out here is you're able to put that perpendicular line that you'll need for reaming right there where you know the drill that's going to enter. You may ask yourself, so how do I know where to drill on the underside of the seat? Because these are angled holes. And so from the top to the bottom, there's a little bit of difference. This is a cutoff. If you can do this on the side of the seat if you drill before you cut out your seat blank, but this came from, I believe, right here. So all I do is I just strike a line, and then I strike two lines, one for the front, one for the rear. And then I set a bevel gauge to the angle of the hole I'm going to drill, which in this case with the front is at 16.5 degrees. Put that up against the hole, strike a line here. So if this is the top side of the seat, you're going to be drilling at this angle. So this difference here, which I've set a pair of dividers to, so that distance right here is going to be the distance you need to mark out for drilling from the underside. So when I lay out this line, when I lay out the sight lines and everything on the underside of the seat, I put I mark the holes where it would be if I was drilling from the top. And then all you have to do is take the pair of dividers and extend it, and you can put a pinprick as I do or whatever you do there. So hope that makes some sense.